Mabuka buyeni ngisakithi sithini uvuke njani. Salvanani Meluleki Gasela ijahe elikhulelele uveve koBulawayo ngokwamdabo mbiyelipane edandanda. Usemzini kaGasela umhlaba lomagodla kandazi sile simkhono khona esiphuma esihlabathini saselwandle.
Hello guys, welcome to Macriza Made Me Cook. My name is Prince Sivalumahlanga. Currently on the Bulawayo-Harare highway. Today's show wants to featuring Meluleki Gasela, who's a truck driver. So Meluleki has traveled distance as far as Harare, Johannesburg, Gaborone, he's going to Hwange, Binga and so many places. So today we want to cook with Meluleki Gasela and also learn his experiences as a truck driver. We're just passing, we're just 40 kilometers from Harare. So we left Bulawayo yesterday at 8 o'clock and we arrived in Gweru, I think about 3 hours time. Then we did Kwekwe, we did Kadoma and we slept in Chekut. So we're on our way to Harare. Welcome to the show. Mr. Gasela, kunjani baba? Siyabonga for inviting us to have this experience here on the show. So my first question is, I was telling who's Meluleki Gasela? Then two, when did this love for driving trucks, when did it come about?
Meluleki Gasela ijahe elikhulelele uveve koBulawayo ngokwamdabo mbiyelipane edandanda. Uhambo lwami lize lizofika lapha ematruckini lusukela khatshana kakhulu ngoba ekukhuleni ngumfana vele othanda imoto yamawaya. Ngumfana othanda imoto yamawaya. Yikho lapho kusukela khona uhambo lwakhona ukuthi vele nje I had that love for imota.
How has been the experience being a truck driver, looking at the distance that you travel frequently and the long distance? Yeah.
Experience yalapha etruckini ngaqala nje ngokuyi disadvantage 1 or 2. Challenge ekhona nje ukuthi uhlala ukhatshana lemoli esikhathini esiningi, uhlala ukhatshana lemoli. Yiyo i-challenge mina engibalayo nje kakhulu kuphela, but nguye vele umsebenzi wakhona unjalo. It's the fruits of the tree. So okunye okungabe kukuhle nje ngakho, you get to meet a lot of people kujeni yangikhona. Ufunde ukuphila labantu kathesi nginje sengikwanisa ukuphila labantu abemhlobo ehlukeneyo. Why? Because I travel a lot to indawo eziningi ezihlukeneyo. So you get to understand ukuthi abanye abantu baphila njani, njalo lizwisisane, ufunde even lama languages. Kumanje ama languages afana labo Swahili, even ngeke ngisikhulume ngethutsha but sengikwazi ukubingelela isiTswana, isiSuthu, into ezifana lazona lezo ama languages aphandle kwelizwe lethu. You get to learn them. So the experience yakhona hayi ihamba kahle mpela.
That's interesting, Gasela. So we're just 20 kilometers from the city of Harare, Sunshine City. So Gasela, umbuzo wami, just additional questions. I think ukhulume ngokuqhatheka ukuthi usufunde amanye amasiko. Why is it important ukuthi thina njengabantu abakhulayo or generally ama-Africans ukuthi sifunde amasiko abanye abantu, sifunde lama languages, most importantly ama languages. I think ukwakhuluma ukuthi uyabuwa ukukhuluma isiTswana, isiSwahili. So umbuzo wami is of the places when I also traveled, which one have been your favorite as a truck driver, in terms of just the ubuntu, the culture? Yeah, that's my question.
Right, endabeni experience lokufunda about ama cultures abantu, indawo engayifikayo ngaba le best experience iBinga. I got to eBinga like ngingakwazi vele lokuthi babingelelana njani like ulimi lwabo, but ngathola abantu ababe nice kakhulu. You know, the minute they found out ukuthi undoda lo ulimi lethu kalukwanisi, ngahle ngathola ama private tutor mara. So in the sense that ukuthi abantu bakhona bangamukela ngezandla zombili, like ngahle ngafunda nje ukubingelela umuntu ngesakibo khona ngale, you know, bekufundise. I remember omunye ethi ekseni nje, because ngahlala about two days ngikhona lapho, bethi mabukabuyeni ngisakithi sithini uvuke njani. So endaweni sibile ngazamba, yeah, Binga is number one. Abantu bakhona, they are very much welcoming, and le ndawo yabo nje I go to see indlela abaphila ngayo, bayenza fishing, and lokho bezingela, and lokho be observe amasiko esintwini kahle kahle abantu bankhona.
Oh, we're just, I think, 5 kilometers from the central business district in Harare. It's raining blessings all the way. So in terms of local food, Gasela, can you tell me which is your go-to meal? That meal which any day you can like eat that meal any day. So tell me your go-to meal and any other foodstuffs local here from Zimbabwe that you love.
Favorite food locally Amaqebelengwana. Ngovuka sambe kimi lapho. Ngovuka sambe impela. Uyabona mangathi amaqebelengwana ekseni. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi vele ngiqalise ilanga lami ngiqinile. Sometimes ngiyafuna ivitamin ngoba ngiyawathanda impela, ngiyawathanda. Then okunye okuncane ngithanda ukudla nje mangiphusha isikhathi uxhakuxhaku Amazhanje. Yeah, lapha kuba ngutshikile obhanqa ngoba mangabe ngotholile konke okwenye bekufaka kulesi sikhwama okwenye kulesi sikhwama. Yeah, local izo lezo engizithandayo. Ekudleni engakujabulelayo okwaphandle, ngingakhangela kwelaseBotswana, ngadla iseswa i-beef ephekwe yavuthwa sibilini, yavuthwa inyama evuthwe busu. Ya kule ndlela abayipheka ngayo, iba sibili ezingeni eliphakemeyo, ayikhwabitha impela. And then singangena kulese South Africa, amaZulu bathanda ukuthi bapheke uphuthu lenhloko. Hayi lokho lapho ngakujabulela kakhulu. Uyasiluma ulimi impela indlela abayipheka ngakhona inhloko yakhona. And then siye ngapha kubo makhelwane eZambia, insima intelele batsho njalo bona, insima isitshwala ledelele balipheka kule ndlela abalipheka ngakhona impela, kodwa hayi uyalikhwabitha. Ngathi khona lokho kokuthathu kuhleli kusengqondweni.
Barona vile nxa wapheka ke wapheka nje?
Mina ayabantu ukuthi ngiyapheka kulesi cabhobho sami endlela. So 3 is to 1.5. Mina kodwa ngisuka mfaka impuphu eningi kakhulu ukuthi ngithanda isitshwala.
Wena uthanda
3 hips. Hayi lapha sibili make sure ukuthi half. So it's enough like
this. Yes, it's enough.
Because kuthiwa pinch ngesikhiwa.
Sisapheka amaqebelengwana la Gasela. 5 songs. Ukuthi lapha nosemgwaqweni sibili hayi sesishaza uthongo sobuqoqo. Yipi ingoma sibili ungaziplaya sibili hayi.
Oqala mina ngiyoze ngumuntu welokushini. Vele kuqala ngeqwayito. Ngibuye ngenkayi kosikhobo ngebiza uMadlela.
Madlela.
Yabona mase ngishaya lezi. Kakhulu vele ebusuku. Yabona Ndolwane. Hayi
Udala ngisebenza.
Hayi
Bakhuze.
Namathosa nobutho obunjana. Into eyenzakalayo ngikudrive rona lezi. Uyi-1 isikhathi esiningi. So isizungu sivama ukuthi sinjani sikuvakatshele sibe yiso sesihlezi khona lapho. Uyabona yona lapho hlezi khona. Yabona singato Clement Magwaza. Hayi God. Ngiyaqolisa. Phela cishe imoto ucina usugida kwaba amakhiwa amanga lokho uzigidela kwaba.
So shayela inombolo.
Ukufiwa.
Why is it important for us to learn other cultures? Sifunda amasiko, especially from our African brothers and sisters. Then 3, why is it important for us to travel, to explore what is sifunde indawo?
Angithi we travel kakhulu sami indawo ezihlukeneyo. Ukubaluleka kwakhona lokho ufunda ukuthi abantu baphila njani. Njalo kuyakufundisa ukuthi uhloniphe abanye abantu indlela abayenza ngayo. Bese ngithinta le ndaba yamasiko. It's very much important to respect amasiko. Ngoba amasiko abantu ahlukene. So you get to know ukuthi amasiko abantu abathile practicewa njani. Njalo ubahloniphe mawusendaweni yabo. So mangabe sengigoqela ukuthi uyakwakha ufunde ukuhlonipha omunye umuntu. Yeah. Ngamafitshane ngatsho njalo.
Umbuzo wami ugcina is if someone who's watching the show wants to be a truck driver, what advice would you give them?
Inkuthazo enye ngayinika umuntu ongabe bukele manje ofisela ukuthi abe ngumshayeli weloli ukuthi okokuqala vele kufuze ube ngumuntu obekezelayo ukuthi ube ngumshayeli weloli. Lapha kuyabekezelwa njalo akujahwa nje yonke into eyenzakalayo iyenziwa kahle pole njalo ithutsha kahle ungayenza ngaleyo ndlela.
I think we're done for today. We're cooking with Meluleki Gasela. So I'll leave his social media feed on the description box below. And also we can check out our social media feed in Macriza Made Me Cook for the list of the food items that we cooked. We specifically cooked amaqebelengwana. So I'll leave a description on how you prepare amaqebelengwana. Okay, we'll also leave a link or a description on how we got to Harare from leaving Bulawayo, going to Gweru, where we had a stopover in Gweru, headed over to Kwekwe, Kadoma, and where we did our sleepover at Chekutu before we came over to Harare. This is Macriza Made Me Cook. Thank you for watching. Remember, keep the love, keep the Ubuntu, with love specifically from the city of Harare. Peace.